Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Wanted to give you an update on the tropics as of the 8 a.m. advisory. So we don't have a new forecast cone out, and the latest advisory is keeping potential tropical cyclone 9 with maximum sustained winds at 45 miles per hour. Essentially, what potential tropical storm means is that it has the strength of a tropical storm, but it lacks the organization. However, as of this morning, it's definitely starting to get its act together. You can see these banding features here. It's becoming a little more organized. You're starting to see that center of convection about here. So by this afternoon, it should become Tropical Storm Isaias, and then we will start to have at least a better idea of where it is going to go. Right now, due to its lack of organization, the models that help us forecast where it's going to go don't even really know where to start. So once we get a better idea, once it becomes an actual tropical storm, becomes a little more organized, then we can at least maybe get a better idea in the coming days of where it is going to go. For now, the latest cone from the National Hurricane Center has this storm becoming a tropical system by sometime tonight, which is as expected. It already does have the strength, just needs that organization, remember. As it moves towards Hispaniola, very mountainous terrain here, and mountains create friction, and tropical systems don't play well together. So that is going to weaken this storm. You can see that here indicated on the timestamps. By Thursday, it'll weaken down to around 45-mile-per-hour sustained winds. But as it potentially moves through the Straits of Florida here, very warm water located in this region, that will re-strengthen the storm potentially. Now the track, that is going to be the big question also. Where is it going to go? It can very well go out into the Gulf of Mexico. The European model is hinting at that. GFS is in line with what the National Hurricane Center is saying, but it could very well still move out into the Atlantic Ocean as we head into the weekend. So there's a lot of uncertainty here. However, the cone of uncertainty does manage to move into parts of our southern counties currently. Important message, keep your eyes on the forecast, especially as we head into the weekend. When it comes to the spaghetti models, these are lots of different equations essentially that are outputting different solutions and telling us where they think this storm could go. They're in agreement up until about Cuba, and then it's free reign. Some go out into the Gulf, some go through the peninsula of Florida, which also obviously land that helps tear apart storms. So that would create a problem when it comes to the intensity, but many are still keeping it out into the Atlantic. Some even bring it through parts of central Georgia. So a lot of uncertainty, a lot of fine tuning to do. 5 days out, there's a lot of questions to still be answered. And until this storm actually becomes a tropical storm rather than a potential tropical cyclone, there is going to be even more uncertainty. But be sure to stay tuned to 13WMAZ.com, and on the app we'll have updates throughout the day as we continue to monitor potential tropical cyclone 9.